Hello students, we are on lesson number 30. First we will listen to the recording of the lesson and then we will try to translate it.
30e leçon. Chez Monsieur Duclos.
L'appartement de Monsieur Duclos est composé de 2 pièces, d'une cuisine et d'une salle de bain. Il se trouve dans un vieil immeuble dans la banlieue parisienne.
30th lesson, 30th lesson. Chez Monsieur Duclos. Chez is a preposition meaning at, but remember that it is used when we are talking about someone's place. For example, if I say chez mon ami, it means at my friend's home. So at someone's home or at someone's place. For that we need to use chez and after that the name of the person. So at Mr. Duclos' home. L'appartement de Monsieur Duclos est composé de 2 pièces. L'appartement, M-E-N-T, is pronounced as mo, and it is a masculine word meaning apartment. De Monsieur Duclos, de it means of Mr. Duclos est composé. Composé, composed, de 2 pièces. Now to understand this word pièce, we have the note number 1. Une pièce, it means a room in general. Une chambre is a bedroom. Remember, CH is pronounced as sh, chambre. Une salle is used to mean a large room in a public building, but it is also used in compound nouns. That is, we join it with some other word to get a new word. For example, salle de bain, it means bathroom. Salle à manger, it means dining room. A sentence is given, elle habite en 2 pièces. Habiter is to live. Elle habite, he lives in a 2-roomed apartment. 2 pièces, 2-roomed. Coming back to the line number 1, the apartment of Mr. Duclos is composed of 2 rooms, d'une cuisine, kitchen, et d'une salle de bain, of a kitchen and of a washroom or a bathroom. The word de is shortened to d apostrophe because in it begins with a vowel, and de above we saw it means of. Il se trouve dans un vieil immeuble dans la banlieue parisienne. Pronunciation of banlieue is banlieue, and for this it is parisienne. S is in the middle of 2 vowels, so it is pronounced as Z. I-E-N-N-E is pronounced as En. If you remember the word for Indian, it is Andian. There at the end we have the same combination. VI, an adjective meaning old. Immeuble, building. Dans is a preposition meaning in. Over here the verb used is a reflexive verb, se trouver. It means to be located or to be situated. Il se trouve, it is situated. Also, why is il used? Even though it means he, because your apartment, it is masculine. So we'll have to use il. So it is situated in an old building. Old, it is an adjective that comes under the category of age. So it is put before the noun. In the suburbs of Paris or the Paris suburbs. On the next page, the translation is also given. Also, the adjective that we just saw for old, the masculine word is view, the feminine word we saw is vi, and it means old. In case your word it begins with a vowel, it is again vi. Il y a 6 étages et un concierge. Now whenever we have age at the end of a word, it is pronounced as age. Il y a, we have seen this earlier in the previous lessons, it means there is or there are. There are 6 floors, il y a 6 étages, there is a liaison, so the X at the end of 6 is also pronounced, and a concierge. Now for this word concierge, we have the note number 3. Un or a concierge, it is a French institution Now it was basically used earlier in the old times that concierge is a person who would clean the common areas, distribute the mail, he would screen the visitors. But owing to the economic pressures, they have been replaced by electronic locks, interphones, and mailboxes. So, the system of concierge keeping a person who does all the work for the building, that system is no more continued. So, there are 6 floors and a concierge. Monsieur Duclos vous ouvre la porte. La porte, it means the door. A is a connector meaning and. Vous arrivez dans l'entrée. L'entrée, it means entrance. Above we saw dans means in. Mr. Duclos opens to you. Offre, opens. Over here, vous is a direct object pronoun. It means you. In English, the DOP is placed after the noun. In French, we place it before the verb. So before to open, we have put vous. Mr. Duclos opens to you the door and you arrive in the entrance. Arriver, ER ending verb, with vous the ending is EZ. Vous ouvrez. À droite, il y a la cuisine et à côté, la salle de bain. À droite, with right and left, droite and gauche, we use à to say on. À droite, on right, there is the kitchen, and à côté means next to, the bathroom. Plus loin, remember this combination OI is pronounced as OA or WA. Over here, loin. Similarly, voix. Plus loin, the word loin, it means far, plus loin, more far, but it is used for further. En voix, the original verb is voir, to see. La pièce, earlier we saw pièce, it means a room. Principal, main. Le salon, salon means living room. Further, we see the main room, the living room, qui est meublé avec beaucoup de goût. Beaucoup de, we know it means a lot of. Goût, taste. Avec means with. Over here, qui is used. Now, in the previous lessons, we saw this topic of relative pronoun. That qui, it replaces the subject of the second sentence, right? And after it, we always have a verb. Over here, after it, we have the être verb. Qui est meublé, which is furnished. Now, this word meublé, it means furnished, which is furnished with a lot of taste. For this, we have to look at note number 4. A meuble means a piece of furniture. The plural is des meubles, means furniture. Un appartement non meublé means an unfurnished flat. Non meublé, that is not furnished. And if you do not write this non, an appartement meublé means a furnished apartment. Another note is given. Goûter is a verb which means to taste. For example, goûter, over here it is the imperative form. Goûter cette soup means taste the soup. A goût, T at the end is silent, it means a taste. La soupe a un goût étrange. The soup has a strange taste. A goût, it also means a taste in the sense of preference. In cafes, you'll also find the word déguster. The note is continued on the next page. Déguster nos vins means taste our wines. This is a more formal word that indicates physical tasting and appreciation. Une dégustation de vin is a wine tasting. Continuing the lesson with line number 9. Il y a deux beaux fauteuils et un canapé confortable. Il y a, it means there is or there are. Deux is the number 2. Fauteuil, armchair. Beau means beautiful. Canapé is couch. Confortable, comfortable. There are 2 beautiful armchairs, fauteuil, armchairs, and a comfortable couch. Confortable means comfortable. Au milieu de, remember this expression, it means in the middle of. La pièce, il y a in table basse. Basse it means low. For this, in note number 7, they have also given us the masculine word ba and the feminine word is buzz. Both of them mean low. Coming back to the line number 10, au milieu de la pièce, in the middle of the room, there is a low table. Les fenêtres, fenêtre means the windows. Du salon, remember du, it means of the. Salon, earlier we saw it means living room. Don, sur une petite cour. Petite, it means small, cour means courtyard. Sur, we have seen earlier it means on, over here it means onto. Another verb which is used over here is don. The original verb is donner, er ending verb, it means to give. So the windows of the living room, salon, give on to a small courtyard. The translation of this is given on the next page.